بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
We talked in our previous lecture about zabar, zayn, and pesh. Alright?
Okay.
Now we will exercise that these three, zabar, zayn, and pesh. Okay? Then more than one alphabet combined, maybe more than two. So here, look here. These are the separate alphabet. Alif, Sa, Ra. Is it?
Yeah, but I can't see the page.
Oh, I am sorry.
It's okay.
I forget to share. Can you see now?
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Look here. Here's Alif, Sa, and Ra. These are separate here.
Okay.
Now look here. Here, these three are combined. Now we will spell this one. Alif, Zabar, A.
Alif Zabar A.
This is Sa. Look here. This is Sa, and Sa here is combined. Sa, Zabar, Sa.
Sa Zabar Sa.
This is Ra, Ra, Zabar, Ra.
Ra Zabar Ra.
How it will pronounce? Try to spell it. Spell it.
Alif Zabar A. Sa Zabar Sa. Ra Zabar Ra. Ashara.
Very good. Good. Athara.
Atara.
This one. Here these are the separate alphabets. Ba, Shin, Ra, and these three are here combined.
Okay.
Okay, now spell this one.
Ba Zabar Ba. Shin Zabar Sha.
Good.
Ra Zabar Ra.
Pronounce it.
Ra.
Repeat again.
Ashara.
Very good. Now this one.
Kaf Zabar Ka. Ra Zabar Ra.
Good.
Mim Zabar Ma.
Good.
Karama.
Very good. Now this one.
Swad Zabar Swa.
Good.
Ba Zabar Ba. Ra Zabar Ra.
Very good.
Wa Ba Ra.
Good. This one.
Ain Zabar A. Qaf Zabar Qua.
Good.
Lam Zabar La. Aquala.
Very good. This one.
Nun Zabar Na. Swad Zabar Swa.
Good.
Ra Zabar Ra. Naswara.
MashaAllah. Good. Now here we will practice Zaid. Okay? Now here these are the separate alphabet Alif, Ba, and Lam with Zaid sign. Alif zer I,
Alif zer I,
ba zer B,
Ba zer B,
lam zer li,
Lam zer Li,
EB li.
Ibi Li,
Okay, now spell it again, this one.
Alif Zabar E,
Alif zer.
Alif zer E,
Hmm.
Ba zer B,
Hmm.
Lam zer Li,
Good.
Ibi Li,
Very good. Here.
Teen Zabar, Teen
Hmm.
zer C,
Zer C.
Teen zer C,
Hmm. Lam zer li.
Lam zer Li,
Si li.
Si Li,
Hmm. Mim.
means zer me,
Hmm.
Si Li me,
Good. And this one.
me zer me,
Hmm.
Sa zer Si,
Hmm.
Lam zer Li,
Hmm.
Misi Li,
Good. This one.
Ha zer Hi,
Hmm.
Lam zer Li,
Hmm.
Mim zer me,
Hmm.
He Li me,
Very good. This one.
Twa, Twa zer Ti,
Hmm.
Ra zer Ri,
Good.
Za zer Zi,
Hmm.
Ti Ri Zi,
Very good. And this one.
Qaf, Qaf zer Qui,
Hmm.
Dal zer Di,
Hmm.
Ra zer Ri,
Hmm.
Qui Di Ri,
Good. This one. Hmm.
Mim zer Mi,
Hmm.
Ra zer Ri,
Good.
Zwad zer Zwi,
Hmm.
Mi Ri Zwi,
Very good. This one.
Fa zer Fi,
Hmm.
Qaf
Oh. Hmm.
zer Qui,
Good.
Wa zer Ti,
Good.
Pi Qui Ti,
Repeat again.
Pi Qui Ti,
Very good. This one.
Waw zer Wi,
Hmm.
Ra zer Ri,
Good.
Sa zer Si,
Hmm.
Wi Ri Si,
Very good. MashaAllah. This one.
Waw zer Wi,
Hmm.
Za zer Zi,
Hmm.
Nun zer Ni,
Hmm.
Wi Zi Ni,
Good. This one.
Ba zer Bi,
Mm-hmm. The little one.
Dal zer Di,
Good.
Nun zer Ni,
Hmm.
Di Di Ni,
Good.
Rosary.
Mm-hmm.
Rosary.
Good.
Shin Zershi.
Mm-hmm.
Pirishi.
Very good. Now it's done. We will practice page. Here, these three are the separate alphabet: Ha, Ra, and Mim. And these alphabets are combined here.
Mm-hmm.
Spell.
Ha,
Try to. Hmm.
ha,
Ha, page, Hu.
ha, Peshu.
Hmm.
Ro, Peshu.
Good.
Mim, Peshmu.
Mm-hmm.
Hirumu.
Huru, Hurumu.
Kurumu.
Ha, page, Hu.
Ha, Peshu.
Ra, page, Ru.
Ro, Peshu.
Mim, page, Mu.
Mim, Peshmu.
Hurumu.
Kurumu.
Good. This one. These both are same. Here is separate alphabet and here is combined.
Kof, Kof, Peshu.
Mm.
Ba, Peshbu.
Good.
Am, Peshlu.
Mm-hmm.
Ubulu.
Very good. This one.
Dal, Dal, Peshdu.
Mm.
Ba, Ba, Peshbu.
Good.
Ro, Ro, Peshru.
Mm-hmm.
Duburu.
Very good. This one.
Ein, Peshbu.
Mm.
Jim, Peshju.
Good.
Ba, Peshbu.
Mm.
U, Ujubu.
Very good. This one.
Kof, Kof, Peshku.
Mm.
Dal, Peshdu.
Mm-hmm.
Sin, Peshsu.
Good.
Udusu.
Very good. This one.
Un, Peshnu.
Mm-hmm.
Za, Peshzu.
Mm.
Lam, Lam, Peshlu.
Good.
Nuzulu.
Very good. This one.
Kof, Kof, Peshku.
Mm. This one. Pa, pesh, pu.
Pa, Peshku.
Mm.
Lam,
Pu.
Popo.
Mm.
Lam, Peshlu.
Good.
Upulu.
Very good. This one.
Kof, Peshku.
Mm.
Wa, Peshtu.
Mm.
Utu.
Good.
Ba, Peshbu.
Mm.
Utubu.
MashaAllah. This one.
Ka, Peshku.
Is it ha?
Ka.
Is it ho? Look here, in the middle is a doubt. This is Jim.
Jim. Ra Pashru.
Hmm.
Uru.
Hmm.
Mim Pashru.
Hmm.
Urumu.
Good. This one.
Rein Pashru.
Hmm.
Lam Pashlu.
Good.
Bulu.
Good.
Ba Pashbu.
Mm-hmm.
Bulubu.
MashaAllah. This one.
Ta Pashku.
Mm-hmm.
Ta Pashtu.
Hmm.
Ka Kutu.
Good.
Ba Pashbu.
Mm-hmm.
Kutubu.
Very good. This one.
Jim Pashju.
Hmm. Meme.
Mim Pashmu.
Hmm.
Jumu.
Good.
Ein Pashu.
Good.
Jumu.
Very good. Sadaqallahul
Sadaqallahul
Aliyyul
Aliyul
Azim.
Azim.
Allahumma salli ala
Allahumma salli ala
Muhammadin
Muhammadin
wa ali Muhammad
wa ala Muhammad
wa ajil farajahum.
wa ajir farajihum.